Oh, that was really hot. I've just burnt my whole mouth. Great. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. I'm so sorry for not uploading and not really just doing anything really. I don't think I've interacted with anybody on this channel for months, and I'm really sorry about that. I'm going to sit down in front of you and film an autumnal eye makeup look. I've already done my base and I have already filmed this base, so I filmed a video just to kind of get me into the swing of filming YouTube videos again, and I'm feeling very comfortable in front of the camera. I definitely wasn't when I first started. The blooper reel is going to be insane, but now I've already filmed this base and I will get it up for you. I'm really excited to show you how I created this actually, but what I'm going to do is film an eye look perfect for this time of year, and I'm just going to have a little bit of a chit chat with you, and yeah, a bit of a catch up, so it'll be a bit of a chatty one, yeah, hope you enjoy it. So it has been a while. There's no real explanation for it other than I've been busy. I've been unwell, I've been tired, and I've really not been that inspired, and I've not really known what it is that I wanted to film. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, I did upload quite regularly on Instagram. I started out with makeup tutorials, and then over the last few months I've been really embracing my love for fashion over on Instagram, so much so that there has been barely any beauty content over there. So I've been trying to get the balance right. I've been trying to think, what do I want to film, how do I want to organise this. There's been times where my skin's been really bad and I've not wanted to film anything to do with makeup. I just wanted to give my skin a break, so I've just been filming fashion videos, and then that's all I've had to upload. So it's been a bit, you know, I'm trying to get the balance right, and it would be great if you can comment and let me know what you like. I know a lot of you here, I think, follow me on Instagram, and also follow me here, so it'd be nice to know what it is you like and what you want to see, and I'll kind of tell you what I'm thinking as well. What I'm thinking is I would like to do mainly beauty content here on YouTube. I love experimenting with makeup. I love talking about products. It's such a passion of mine, and that is really what I want to show here on YouTube, where I can waffle about products and we can talk in the comments and talk about what we like using and products that work for us and products that don't. I can try some new things, and then on Instagram it will kind of be mostly fashion focused. So I'm aware that I've just been waffling and not actually done anything with my makeup at all, but I just want to say thanks so much for those of you that have stayed. Thanks so much for those of you that have subscribed. I think when I left YouTube, but with the last video I uploaded, I think I had about 50 subscribers, and now I've got over 100. So thanks so much to those of you that have subscribed. It honestly means a lot. It's quite scary putting yourself on the internet, especially on YouTube. So thank you so much for those of you that have subscribed. And I also saw that my how-to graphic liner video has got over 2,500 views, so again, thanks for watching, and if you've rewatched it, thank you. Glad you like that. I loved filming that. It's probably one of my favourite ones to film, so yeah, I'm going to do a few more of those. So yeah, I want to get a few more how-tos up there, so if you've got any ideas for any how-to videos, let me know in the comments. I'm hoping to get some consistency back on YouTube. Hopefully we can get back to one video a week if I can. But one reason for that also has been that it's just been crazy. Like, the world has opened up again. Last 2 months in particular, my weekends have just been so busy, seeing family, seeing friends, going away. Nowhere that exciting, still in the UK. I haven't quite yet gone on a plane, but no, it's been nice to, yeah, do some things with different people and get back out there. So yeah, it's another reason why I haven't really been filming any content. It's just I've been trying to enjoy life again. Still feeling a bit anxious about it, but it's definitely getting to some stage of normality. I went to a gig the other week. When did I go to that gig? A couple of weeks ago, and I loved it. I went to see Seagirls. They were fantastic live, and it was just so much fun. So yeah, you know, some really nice things have happened over the last few months, which I've really enjoyed. Let me have some more tea because I'm very thirsty. I got ill as well. I got this weird cold. It wasn't even anything. I just had a bit of a snuffly nose and a sore throat. So I wasn't that, I think I was just a bit run down, but Oh my gosh, my throat is so dry at the minute. So yeah, tea is very essential. Like I said, I'm going to do an autumnal makeup look. I think I'm going to go for something like berry tones. So another thing about me, I've not really been buying a lot of makeup aside from the essentials. So I'm going to shop my stash of makeup. I think it's really important. I don't want to buy things that I don't need just for the sake of it. That's something else I'm really trying hard to do, or not to do, is just buying stuff for the sake of it. So I kind of had a little delve around in my palettes, in my palette drawer, and there's 2 palettes that I brought out, and I'm gonna use those today. Both of them are from Urban Decay. One of them I know they definitely don't make anymore. It was a limited edition, and one of them I hope they still make. I feel like they do. I don't know. I should check that out really, shouldn't I? Before filming this, rather than using a load of palettes that nobody can get. But the shades in them are so universal. You can get them in any palette. And so yeah, the 2 palettes I've got. One of them is the classic Gwen Stefani palette from Urban Decay. If you remember this, please comment. I remember when this came out, I was working on a beauty counter at the time. I was working for Clarins, and I still love it. I love this palette so much. I have had it forever. It's so old and dusty. You can tell the shades that I've used the most, well, the shade I've used the most. It's this one called Punk. I am pretty sure, and the reason why I'm using this, I am 90% sure that Urban Decay do this as a single eyeshadow, because I was concerned when I hit pan. I was like, what am I going to do? This is my favourite eyeshadow of all time. What am I going to do if I can't get it? So I was like hunting around on my local Urban Decay counter, and I'm pretty sure they do it. They do a single version of it, so fingers crossed you can get that. And the second palette, the one I think they still do, and I hope they still do, is the Heat palette from Urban Decay. Yeah, really like this palette. It's got some nice classic shades in there. I remember everyone went crazy for this palette when it launched, and it's really good. So I didn't know what kind of look I wanted to do today, and I still kind of don't know what kind of look. I think I want to go quite grungy. I really like doing blown out smoky eyes, so I'm going to do that. I really am waffling. I'm waffling so much, so I'm just going to get into it, and I can still waffle while I'm doing my makeup. So I'm just going to find something to prime my eyes with. I'm going to zoom in actually slightly, just a little bit, a bit more than that. What do we think? All right, yeah. I'm going to use a NARS concealer in Caramel. Really love this concealer, and it's kind of coming to the end of its life a little bit, so I'm just going to use this to prime my eyelids. Just going to pop a bit on there. I'm just going to blend it out with a fluffy brush. So how has everyone been? What's been going on? Tell me. How's everyone feeling about things slightly getting back to normal in the UK? Hopefully excited. I guess you're feeling slightly anxious. I know I am as well. But it is just nice to do different things now. I was getting a bit, I don't know, feeling a bit rubbish. I was missing out on so many things, and you know, I'm just really enjoying getting back to some kind of normality. So hopefully everybody else is, but if you're feeling anxious, I totally get it. Trying to find a relatively clean brush in my stash at the moment is just impossible, so apologies. I'm going to start with I'm just going to dust the shade Low Blow, this one here. I'm just going to dust that over my eyes. I still, like I said, I don't really know what I'm going to do. This mirror is so dirty, but I'm just going to take that just where you would normally take your transition shade, and I'm going to blow it out slightly as well. Like I said, I definitely want to go quite grungy. I don't normally wear eyeshadow on a day-to-day basis, so it's quite nice to mess around a little bit with it and do something a bit different. So yeah, just dusting that over. Another thing that I've actually really been enjoying doing, I say really been enjoying doing, I've done it once, is going to the cinema again. I love the cinema. Again, if you know me, you know I'm all about movies and films, and I really missed going to the cinema, and I really missed seeing movies in the cinema. And I went to see Shang-Chi recently. I loved it. I thought it was great, and I just loved seeing that in the cinema. It was a really nice atmosphere, and it was just so nice. And there's quite a few good films coming out soon, so yeah, I'm really loving that. I'm loving going back to the cinema, even though, I mean, people are annoying, aren't they? Like, people really annoy me. I don't think I'll ever see a kids film in the cinema, just because kids run around a lot, and it stresses me out so much. But yeah, that's the only downside, I guess, is that, you know, I've become accustomed to people not being around, and now they are. That sounds so bad, doesn't it? But you know what I mean. Please don't let me be on my own here. You know what I mean, don't you? And I'm then gonna move to He Devil. It's slightly darker. It's kind of like a, I don't know, what would you call this? Like a rosy colour, I suppose, like a reddy rose sort of shade. And I'm gonna focus that more in the socket, and I'm gonna keep it quite rounded for now, but I feel like I'm just gonna blow it straight out. Let's do it, let's wing it out, but not too much. Best tutorial ever. I'm gonna wing it out, but not too much. I'm gonna keep it round, but not too much. I'm just gonna follow the shape of my eye and take it out and up slightly, just where that hits the brow. This is quite hard, you know. Like, I like watching Chatty videos, but I just don't know what to say, to be quite honest. Maybe I'll do a Q&A, if anyone cares. If you think you would like to watch that, let me know. I will make that happen, definitely. I need ideas, this is the thing. I'm going to use a slightly smaller brush. One thing is for certain, I need some new brushes. I've got my eyes on those Katie Jane Hughes Spectrum brushes. I say I've got my eyes on, I've had my eyes on them for ages, since they came out, and oh God, I just can't bite the bullet. I think I'm going to have to splash out on some brushes, because honestly, if you looked at the brushes that I've got right now, you would be, it's a disgrace, put it that way. I'm going to use an Fuego and Ashes, I think that one's called, and I don't know how I want to do it. I'm going to put an Fuego, because it's a little bit lighter, all over my lid. I'm going to start off with that. So I'm just going to press this into my lid and build that colour up. Take that all over my eye. I am doing it quite grungy, quite blown out. I absolutely love wearing eyeshadow this way. I think it's so low maintenance. It's looking very top heavy at the moment, and I am going to go underneath. I haven't decided if I want to do liner. I don't know. I quite like that fresh skin with just a bit of mascara and maybe a lash and no liner, so maybe we'll go for that. We'll see how I feel. Oh no, I've got eyeshadow all over my really nice jeans, so that's great. I do this all the time. I wear my favourite jeans and start filming, and then I get crap all over them. Very, very bad. I'm going to use that same brush, and I'm going to go into the Gwen Stefani palette. I'm going to use Punk, which I love this. I've not worn this in so long. I'm so excited. Hope I like it as much as I used to. I'm sure I will. But I'm just going to pop that all over the lid as well. Yes, I am a fan of this. Just going to take it slightly out. Very, very lightly for now. This is where I always mess up, when I just go a bit too heavy-handed. So I'm just going to keep building it up slowly. I'm going to take that clean brush and just blend over that area. Just taking it out slightly so it disappears into my bronzer and just keeps a little bit of shape. I'm going to use a little pencil brush, and I'll go back into that Punk shade from the Gwen Stefani palette, and I'm just going to lay that along my lash line. Right, that was very annoying. My card was full, and I lost my other card. I don't know where it's gone. I have no idea how I've lost it, because I've not exactly gone anywhere with this camera, but I had to put it all onto my laptop, and I'm back now, and that was really annoying. So where was I? I was blending onto my lower lash line. I'm going quite far down with it, with this dark shade. This is the shade from the Urban Decay palette. Well, they're both Urban Decay, but this is the shade, this is the Punk shade from the Gwen Stefani palette. Then I'm going to go back to the Naked Heat palette, back to En Fuego, and just smoke that out a bit more. I'm going quite low with it, I've decided. Very low. I like this. This is like my favourite smoky eye. It's just so... It's kind of erring on the side of black eye, but hopefully doesn't look like a black eye. I'm now going to put some mascara on. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara. This was not planned. I didn't plan to use only Urban Decay, but I recently got this Lash Freak mascara, and it's really good. I'll show you the brush. Again, it's not, I don't think it's a very new mascara, but it is new to me. You can see the brush is really odd. Like, you apply it with this side that I'm facing towards you now. You can see those comb, like, tongs or whatever. Tongs? That's not the right word. Bristles, comb, I don't know. There's also this little ball on the end which you can use to detail. Let's mirror is also filthy. I'm just the worst with my products. And I'm going to build it up slowly. I love this mascara. I think it's really, it makes such a difference to my lashes. So yeah, a bit of an odd brush and quite difficult to get used to. Well, not difficult, but it's quite strange to get used to at first. But I definitely think it's really, really effective. I've done quite a few coats of that. You can see really nice mascara, separates the lashes really nicely and gives quite a bit of volume. And actually quite a lot's happened since I've done my mascara. My battery ran out, so I had to wait for that to charge. Now I'm back and the weather has turned, it's raining quite a bit, so I'm really sorry if the lighting has gone a bit funny and if it's gone grey, because I mean, yeah, time has passed. But yeah, the eyes are pretty much done. All that's left to do now is the lips, and I'm just going to keep it very simple and neutral with my lips. I'm just going to go for a nude, so I'm going to use this NYX lip liner in Cocoa and just line my lips with that. Quite a nice light brown. It's not that light, it's quite dark actually, but it's like a true brown. It's not reddy in undertone, it's really nice. Then I've got the Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipstick. This is the matte one in, what is this, Board Meeting. My favourite nude, I think this is. It's so nice. Again, perfect shade for my skin tone. It's not too red, it's not too pink, it is a perfect brown. I am quite a gloss girl, so I am going to add some gloss. I'm going to use the Vive Lip Dew in, well, just the Vive Lip Dew. I think this is the only one they do, so this is so nice. It's a really long lasting lip oil. It's so nice to wear, so I'm just going to pop that on. So that's the finished makeup look. I hope you like it. It's a grungy, autumnal, smoky eye with a glossy nude lip. It's kind of glam, but to be quite honest, I think I'd be wearing this day to day. If you want to glam it up even further, definitely pop some lashes on. But no, I'm going to leave it there. I'm really happy with how it looks, and I hope you liked it too. So yeah, it's been really nice chatting with you. I kind of started off a bit chit-chatty and then just kind of fell off towards the end because I didn't really know what to talk about. But please do comment in the comments below if you did like this video. Let me know any other ideas of what you would like to see from me. Like I said, I've got a skin tutorial coming up just on the base because I didn't really do that in this video at all. I definitely want to do some more makeup on here. So if you've got some ideas for tutorials or colours you want me to try, or anything that you think you'd like to see me recreate or do, let me know, and I'll definitely get that sorted for you. Please do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @AlinaTulaBeauty. Like I said earlier in the video, it's more fashion over there, the odd beauty bit, but yeah, if you want to keep up with me day to day, that's where I am. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It would mean so much to me. So would a subscribe. So if you don't already, please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm going to try and get a bit more consistent. I'll try and upload once a week. Sunday's my normal upload day, but we'll see how it goes. If I can upload a different day, then I will. I'm not gonna put too much pressure on it, but no, I've really enjoyed filming this video. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, all of that good stuff, and I will see you again in my next video. Get ready, what? Gonna use the